Hello, this is the lecture number 6 for the chapter triangles for the class 10th, and in the last lecture we have discussed up to question number 9 of exercise 6.3. Now in question number 10 it is given that CH and GH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB and EGH such that D and H lie on the side AB and FE of the triangle ABC. So it is given that there are the triangles C, A, B and triangle. We have another triangle. It is G, F and H. Oh, sorry, E. And it is given that CD, that is CD and GH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB. This is the angle is equal to this, and angle EGH. EGF, triangle EGF, GH, and these are the bisectors such that D lie on AB and EF of the triangle ABC and GF E triangles. Now it is given that the triangle, what is given? CD and GH are angle bisectors. ये हमें given है. And it is given that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. See the corresponding sides very carefully, and you have to show that, you have to prove that CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. That is CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. You have to prove it. Then second part, you have to prove that triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. And in the third part, you have to prove that the triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So this is given and to prove in this question number 10 of exercise 6.3. So these are the angle bisectors. This is angle to this, and this angle is equal to this angle, and triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So this angle will be equal to this angle, and angle C will also equal to angle G, corresponding part of the similar triangles. They are equal to each other. Now CD upon GH, where CD upon GH, you have to prove that it is equal to AC. This is AC upon FG. So it means you have to prove that these two triangles are similar. So first of all, angle C is equal to angle G. Corresponding parts of similar triangle are similar. And if you let this angle as 1 and this angle as 2, so you can put that angle twice of angle 1 is equal to twice of angle 2, because the bisectors is given, angle bisectors are given. So it means angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and angle A is equal to angle F is equal, because angle A is equal to angle F, because corresponding parts of similar triangle are similar. So we can say that triangle CAD is similar to triangle FGFH. By AA similarity, these two triangles are now similar. CAD. Now you can take their corresponding sides in the same ratio. So CD upon GH is equal to AC upon, this is FG, CA upon GF. So this is the first part. You have to prove that they are similar. Now after that, you have to prove that the triangle DCB, this triangle, and HGE, they are similar. So we can prove that they are similar as we have done these two triangles similar. And in the third part, you have to prove that the triangle DCA and HGF, which we have already proved that they are similar. Now, you have to prove that these two triangles are similar. We can prove as we have proved that these two triangles are similar. So, similarly, angle C is equal to angle G. Corresponding parts of similar triangle are similar. Now, if we let this angle be 3 and this angle be 4. So, in place of C, you can write twice of angle 3, and here you can write twice of angle 4 because these are bisectors. Because angle C is double of the angle 3 and angle G is double of angle 4 because GH and CD are the bisectors. So we can say that angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and angle B is equal to angle E, because it is given that these triangles are similar. ABC is equal to FGE. So angle B will be equal to angle E because corresponding parts of similar triangle are similar. So now we can say that triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGF, is similar to triangle HGE by AA similarity. So good question it is. You have to take care of the corresponding sides of the triangles to be proved similar, and the angle bisectors is given. So this is the question number 10. Now in question number 11 of this same exercise, you have to prove, it is given that in the figure is given, there is a triangle ABC, there's a triangle ABC, and E is the point on the CB produced. E is the point on the CB produced on an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. It is given, AB is equal to AC, it is given, and if AD is perpendicular to BC, if AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to this, EF is perpendicular to AC, then you have to prove the triangle are similar. So it is given that AB is equal to AC and AD perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AB, and you have to prove that the triangles, which two triangles are similar? ABD, this triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF, and this is ECF. Now in these two triangles ABD and triangle ECF, now it is very clear that in this triangle angle D and in this triangle angle F, they are 90 degree, it is given. Now in this triangle B and in this triangle C, they are equal because angles opposite to equal sides. So it's a very easy question because these two AB and AC are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. So we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF by angle similarity. So it is somewhat very easy question. That is the question number 11. Somewhat easy question this is. Now in question number 12, now read the question number 12. It is given that the side AB and BC and the median AD of a triangle ABC, so two triangles are given. What is given? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles are given. These two triangles are given. To see it very carefully, what is given? AB and BC and the median AD. Median AD means it is given that side AB, BC and median AB of the triangle ABC and is proportional to the side PQ, QR and the median PM. In this median is given. So given that AD and PM are medians, they are medians is given, and it is given that AB, PQ, BC, QR and their medians are in the same ratio. That is AB, PQ, BC, QR and AD and PM are they are in the same ratio. Then what you have to prove? You have to prove that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. The larger triangles are similar. Now see it very carefully, it is easy question. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PS. It is given. Now see it very carefully. In place of BC, I can write 2BD. And in place of QR, I can write twice of QM. In place of BC, I can write twice BD. And in place of QR, I can write twice QM. Because the median is given. Midpoints and median given. Medians given. So BC is twice of BD. So it is AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PS. Which sides are in the same ratio? AB, PQ, BD, QM, AD, PM. So therefore, which two triangles will be similar? ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side similarity. By side similarity. These two smaller triangles are similar by side similarity. Now because these two triangles are similar, so we can take that angle B will be equal to angle Q. Corresponding parts of similar triangle are similar. When these two smaller triangles are similar, then angle B will be equal to angle Q. Corresponding parts of similar triangle are similar. Now we can prove that the triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR because AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. It is given. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is given, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. So now these two triangle ABC and PQ are similar by SAS similarity. So it is a good question. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity because we have proved that the two sides of these two triangles are in same ratio and the included angle between these two sides are equal. So we can say that these two triangle ABC and PQR are similar. The same type of question you will get in question number 14. First of all, I am doing the question number 14 in which the side this AD and PM and AC and P are similar, not BC and QR. Then how can we prove that the triangle ABC and PQR are similar? This question will become somewhat larger than this question. So see it very carefully. So first of all, I am doing the question number 14. So these are the two triangles. Again, ABC and triangle PQR in which the side AB, the median AD and the median PM, this side and this side are in the same ratio, not BC and QR. So given that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS is equal to AC upon PR. BC and QR are not in the ratio which we have done in question number 12, and you have to prove that the triangles are similar. ABC is similar to triangle PQR, you have to prove. It is somewhat lengthy question. So in this, what you have to do, you have to extend this AD to E such that this side is equal to this side, and you have to join this BE and similarly produce this to N such that this side will be equal to this side and join this. So produce AD to E such that AD is equal to DE. So therefore D will be midpoint of AE, and similarly produce PM to N such that PM is equal to MN. So by doing this, we have made that M and D are the midpoint of AE and PN. Now see it very carefully. AB upon PQ is equal to, first of all, we'll prove that these two triangles are similar so that AC will become to equal to BE. Now, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle this EDB by side angle side. You can prove yourself because this is equal to this and this is equal to vertically opposite angle, and this is equal to this is already given. So these two triangles are similar. Similarly, triangle PMR is congruent to triangle NMQ by same method. So why we have proved that these two triangles are congruent? So that AC will be equal to BE and PR will be equal to QN. This is QN. Corresponding part of congruent triangle are congruent. This is N. ये side इस side के equal और ये side इस side के equal. Why we have done this? Because it is given that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM is equal to PR upon is equal to AC upon PR. It is given. Now see it very carefully, the arrangement. Now in place of AB upon PQ you have to write as it is. Now AD is the half of AE, and PM is the half of PN. It is very important. PM is the half of PN. We had made M and D as the midpoints. And in place of AC you can write BE, and in place of PR here, in place of PR you can write QN. We had already proved. So what can you say? आप हमारे पास AB upon PQ is equal to AE upon PN is equal to BE upon QN आ गया. मतलब this upon this is equal to this upon this is equal to this upon this आ गया. तो मतलब ये ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हो गए. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN by side. ये ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हो गए. ABE and PQN by this upon this is equal to this upon this is equal to this upon this आ गया. तो हम लिख सकते हैं ये एंगल 1 किसके इक्वल हो गया? एंगल 2 के. एंगल 1 will be equal to एंगल 2. Corresponding parts of similar triangle are similar. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Corresponding part of similar triangle are similar. Similarly, ध्यान दीजिएगा, similarly ये वाला एंगल 3 और ये वाला एंगल 4 भी इक्वल हो जाएगा. जैसे हम यहाँ पर ज्वाइन करेंगे तो दिस ट्राइंगल विल बी सिमिलर. तो यू राइट सिमिलरली एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4. नाउ एडिंग दीज टू स्टेप्स, so what you are getting? Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. That is angle A और angle P इक्वल आ गया. Therefore angle A is equal to angle P इक्वल आ गया. और हमारे पास AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR दे ही रखा है. AC upon PR हमें गिवन ही है. दिस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. तो होगा ट्राइंगल सिमिलर. AB upon PQ और ये वाला एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल है, और AC upon PR they are in the same ratio. So the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side. So it is a somewhat lengthy question, slightly different from the question number 12. What we have done, AB, PQ, AD, PM और AC और PR की रेशो बराबर थी, तो हमने AD को E तक प्रोड्यूस करा ताकि ये दोनों साइड इक्वल हो जाएं, और PM को N तक प्रोड्यूस करा ताकि ये साइड इस साइड के इक्वल हो जाए, और हमने इसको ज्वाइन कर दिया. अब हमें दे रखा है AB, फिर हमने ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्वेंट करे, ये इसके इक्वल है, ये इसके इक्वल है, और ये वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स हैं. तो ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्वेंट हो गए, तो हमने लिख दिया ये इसके इक्वल. सिमिलरली ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्वेंट हो जाएंगे तो ये साइड इस साइड के इक्वल. पहले हमने इन दोनों ट्राइंगल को कॉन्वेंट कराया. Then what we have done, in place of AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM is equal to AC upon PR हमें दे रखा है, it is given. तो AD की जगह हमने हाफ ऑफ AE लिख दिया, PM की जगह हाफ ऑफ PN लिख दिया, और AC की जगह BE और PR की जगह QN लिख दिया, क्योंकि हमने ऑलरेडी इक्वल करा था, ये लिख दिया. तो हमारे पास AE और PN हमारे किसकी रेशो आ गई? AB PQ, AE PN और BE अपॉन QN की रेशो बराबर आ गई. तो ABE ट्राइंगल PQN के सिमिलर हो गया. ये हमारा सिमिलर हो गया. जब ये सिमिलर हो गया तो हम लिख सकते हैं एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2. कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल और सिमिलर. इसी तरह से हम एंगल 3 को एंगल 4 के इक्वल लिख सकते हैं. एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4, और जब हमने लेफ्ट को लेफ्ट से जोड़ा तो एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 4 इक्वल आ गया. तो मतलब एंगल ए एंगल पी के इक्वल हो गया. और AB अपॉन PQ इज इक्वल टू AC अपॉन PR हमें गिवन है, तो ABC PQR के सिमिलर हो गया बाय साइड एंगल साइड. तो इट इज़ अ लेंथी क्वेश्चन एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी interesting question also. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.